Hi guys, welcome to the Virtual RV Show. We are so glad that you are here. We really hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of this trailer, and if you enjoy what you see, make sure you watch until the end so you can see all the advantages of making a purchase with Campkin's RV. So, check this out.
Hi everyone, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2021 Avenger 32BHS. A great double slide bunkhouse for the whole family at a great price. You can see it's got a nice rounded front end. It's got nice large storage doors here, with storage underneath for all of your camping items and a large TV box as well. You've got a nice long electric awning with LED lighting. As you can see in the back, it's got a great outdoor kitchen. So in this outdoor kitchen, you get a larger fridge, you get a drawer for storage, and you get a pull-out 2-burner cooktop stove. You got a spot there to plug in a TV, a drain sink, and also some great cabinets up there as well. Dog leash for tying the dog on the front of the trailer, and it has a bottle cap opener right by these great solid steps by Lippert. Grab handle to enter the trailer, and we'll go inside and have a look. As soon as you enter into the trailer, you can see that it has a very, very comfortable couch, which will go down into flat into a bed. It's got USB chargers and lighting in the cup holders. It's got a nice large window with pleated shade blinds. A very, very large u-dinette. 6 adults can easily get around it. It'll also turn into an adult-sized bed as well, and all the windows in the slide-out do open. Behind the slide-out, you get a full walk-in pantry with lots of storage for all of your food and dishes and everything as well. So great storage in this camper. And then here in the back bunk room, you've got a flip-up bunk. And what's great about this flip-up bunk is that it will disappear and give you room around the couch if the kids want to watch TV or play video games across from them. And then it flips down into a bed as well. You've got a great storage area here and a spot for a TV, as well as a built-in ladder and a nice large bunk on this side as well. And in the bunk area, there's USB chargers and plugs, lots of lights, so great area for the kids. All of the heat in this trailer is ducted through the floor through registers, and then it has ducted air conditioning through the roof. Just outside the bunk room is the washroom, and you can see here in the washroom that you've got lots of room around the toilet. You've got a good sized vanity, a nice large shower pan with a full shower surround, great lighting in the washroom, it's very, very bright, and lots of storage as well. Outside the washroom, you see the kitchen area. You've got a good, generous 11.5 cubic 12-volt fridge. You've got another storage pantry, again, lots of storage. That's really important for a larger trailer. You've got lots of storage, good sized fridge, glass top stove with lots of countertop space. It's a seamless countertop with a stainless steel farmhouse undermount sink. Then you've got a nice big window in the kitchen area, good backsplash, again, good cabinet storage, lots of drawers, including a large drawer underneath the oven for a pot. And then in the entertainment area, again, they have put more cabinets all around the TV. They've done a cutout in the bottom for a place to put your shoes, and then a nice large 50-inch TV comes with this trailer as well, and that leads you to the bedroom area. In the master bedroom, you can see that there's lots of room around the bed, good storage there too, cabinets all around, and some mirrors to make it brighter. You have windows on both sides of the bed, which do open to give you cross ventilation and a place to put the TV on the bedroom wall. So this is a very, very popular bunk model for us. A really good value in this. This is the 2021 Avenger 32BHS, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to myrtle, so why don't you come on out? Help us help you make your RV dreams come true.
Thank you so much for joining us at the RV Show. I just want to take a moment to talk about some of the advantages of purchasing from Campkin's RV. First of all, Campkin's RV has over 47 years experience in the RV industry, and we are a full-service RV dealership. As well, we're a part of the RV Care Network. This is a network of over 70 dealers across Canada that provide emergency service when you're on the road should you require that, and also some other great advantages to that as well. When you purchase a trailer from us, you do get a membership to the Explorer RV Club, and we include tire and rim insurance so that if you have a blowout on the road, you're taken care of. Also, with every trailer, you do get a security tracker, so you always know where your trailer is, and there's extra insurance should somebody steal your trailer, so you can replace it. There's a whole lot more as well available in a Campkin's purchase, but we want to make sure that your purchase experience and your experience after that is great when you work with Campkin's RV, because our whole goal is to help us help you make your RV dreams come true.